Forecasters are predicting more of the same tomorrow as the southeast continues its big chill. But fears we'd reach zero were a bit premature, except for the Granite Belt. Amanda Fitzgerald is in Stanthorpe, and Amanda, it's certainly got cold out there.
Bill, it was -4 here in Stanthorpe this morning, and today it barely got to 14 degrees, and that was in the sunlight. The frost has gone now, but we're pretty well guaranteed it will be back in the morning. That doesn't mean that Brisbane was exactly warm either. With the wind chill, it struggled to get above 5 degrees.
Looking like she's straight out of Sherlock Holmes. Amanda joins us from Stanthorpe now at the weather, and Amanda, that's more like it.
Yes, Bill. Now, this is my kind of cold weather. We are at historic Diamondvale homestead in Stanthorpe, and frankly, it is too cold outside now, so we've taken refuge inside, and this fireplace is an absolute godsend. Any other tourists eyeing off this chair tonight have a huge fight on their hands, let me tell you. Of course, the Granite Belt wasn't the only place feeling the cold today. Brisbane got down to 6 degrees, a few degrees warmer than expected thanks to some cloud cover, but still cold enough. Ipswich ranged from 1 to 20 degrees. It got down to 5 at Coolangatta. But Stanthorpe does take the cake, the coldest spot in Queensland on -4. Tomorrow, the Bureau is expecting about the same. It got down to 2 degrees for centres up north, including Proserpine. The hottest spot in the state was the Sugar Raft Base with 31 degrees. On the satellite, scattered cloud crossing WA and strong westerlies is causing showers. Cloud over southeastern Australia near a trough is delivering patchy rain. Tomorrow, a high will keep Queensland skies clear, allowing temperatures to plummet in the morning once again. Looking at Thursday around the nation, Sydney mainly fine on 19, showers for Melbourne and Hobart. It'll also be wet in Adelaide and Perth, both reaching 16 degrees. Another cool and dry day tomorrow for most of Queensland, though minimum should start to warm up a little in the west. Cairns 12 to 24, 9 to 21 for Mackay. Rockhampton will go down to 4 degrees, so will Maryborough, reaching 21 later in the day. The frost is expected to creep closer to the coast in the morning, 5 to 20 degrees on the Gold Coast. The Sunshine Coast will feel it 2 down to 6, but quite a warm day ahead, 22 forecast. Further inland, we'll need to layer up. Once again, we're expecting more frost across the Granite Belt and other parts of southern Queensland. Gympie 2 to 20 degrees, Toowoomba 2 to 16. On the water, seas offshore to 1.6 metres and southwest to westerlies will reach 15 to 20 knots. At least the days are warm enough to thaw us out. More dry weather ahead for Brisbane with a range of 5 to 22 degrees. Early frost for Ipswich. It's likely to get down to 0, also a top of 22. We can see the days will be warm in the coming days. The Bureau assures me we'll have a reprieve from such freezing weather on Friday and Saturday mornings too. But next week, temps will fall back into single digits. So there is more cold weather coming, -3 here in Stanthorpe in the morning. So I think I've got the perfect spot right next to the fireplace. Now, Georgie and Bill, are you jealous enough yet, or should I tell you about the wine from the Granite Belt we're about to get stuck into and the local cheese platter as well?
Let's
Very
get back.
jealous.
Yep.
Yeah,
Go back to the pipe and slippers there, Amanda. Thanks very much.